A civil authority has issued blue alert for the following counties or areas. Missouri, at 4:37 p.m. on February 23, 2026, effective until 4:37 p.m. February 24, 2026. Wanted for law enforcement officer killed or seriously injured in line of duty on Monday, 2/23/2026 at 3:50 p.m. at US 160 Highlandville, Missouri. Suspect vehicle is a white 2001 Chevrolet Silverado extended cab bearing Missouri registration 9 MGX 36. Vehicle has silver brush guard, rusted roof, black body trim, tinted rear windows and a 3-ball hitch. Vehicle/suspect last seen southbound US 160 from RTHH in Christian County. Suspect vehicle was seen in the area of fatal shooting involving a Christian County deputy. If located, contact your local law enforcement or call 911.